everybody. Well, it's Friday afternoon going on to early evening. Craig and I, well, he just picked me up from work.
Hey.
And so am I. We're just on a camping trip, and it's been a little while since we've ventured on because we've been quite consumed with other things, and it's time for us to celebrate Craig's birthday and have some R&R. So we're going to be setting up a campsite in the dark, and hopefully there's not too many creepy crawlies. But looking forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow should be good. Hopefully the weather's good. We've got our crab pots and we've got our fishing rods. There's no boat on this venture. It's just us, and we'll just be relaxing, cooking, fishing, crabbing, yelly hunting, and probably having a few drinks along the way. So stay tuned and watch us put up a campsite in the dark. Should be fun. Yay! What you doing, Craig?
Right now, you try through.
What do you recommend to have on the beach?
18 for this car anyway.
Yeah, we just arrived. Property Creek Campground. How do we do that?
Huh?
We go right around.
Mm-hmm. There's a few little people.
So, weekend away. This is your birthday weekend, and what are we celebrating with?
Shivers Regal.
Very nice.
So when, Simley?
You know me.
Yeah, I'll fill her up then.
No. Thank you.
Hang on, I'll go over the fridge.
Shivers, here we go.
Feel that?
Ooh, that's
Been in there
nice.
since last night.
Day 2, Poverty Creek. Top of the morning to you, Craig.
Look, fresh horse poo.
Oh, you get wild horses out here, huh? Do you?
Some wild horses, baby.
Okay, what's your agenda for today, Craig?
Well, first things first, we're going to go and check out where we're going to go chuck these crab traps.
Alright.
And then we're going to go back and have some brekkie.
Hey, Craig,
Yeah.
what's for brekkie?
Eggs Benedict.
Yeah, my favourite.
That's Mount Gungung, is it, or Timmy
I think that's Gunga.
Go and see if I can touch a kangaroo. I don't think you'll be able to pet him.
Oh, mate.
If you had some food, he'd come and eat it.
Okay.
If you had some food, he'd come and eat it.
I wonder what this one's like.
This little fella. No, he's too scared. He's only a baby.
I'd be wary of me too.
Yeah, I'd be a bit worried about you. I run when you come creeping up on me.
Well, thanks, Craig. Eggs Benedict. What we need.
Himalayan.
Get the crab pot set up. Chuck them in. Then have a fish.
It's a nice tidy campsite. Amenities. This is a little bit different than where we usually go. It's nicely set out. It's clean. Oh. Alright. So, got crab trap. Got some stinky old mullet. Ooh.
Right through the eyes.
Hit me with my mullet.
Don't you hit me with that
Hit
fish.
me. Hit me. Well, I'm not exactly like Nemo. Some big crabs, yeah. Darn it, darn it. There's some boats out there fishing.
Come on.
Okay.
Hey? Give me the fish. Get it. Straight through his eyes.
See no more.
I see no more. This is Shane's trap. I'll put them close to each other.
I'd say tie them together. Where are we going?
If we don't sink in the mud.
Which, as I say, there's a very good fucking possibility of that happening.
Not.
Oh yeah, don't sink.
Here we have Grassy Mountains. We should have brought the kayak.
Ow. On my joggers. Going over.
You said we're going to set the crab pots up.
Yeah, well, who forgot to bring the reef shoes? Come on now.
Come on, I packed everything else. What do you do? Pack 3 days.
Hey, girl's got to do what. Wait till you get a little bit bigger. I didn't do that.
You did.
No way.
Hey.
Cindy, as I said to you before I even walked out there, how did you tangle your line? Let's go back to camp.
Well, I wasn't game enough to walk out there to grab those crab pots.
I'm too fucking heavy to walk out there. I just sunk down to my knee. We'll wait for low tide.
What time's that? Oh, 9 o'clock tonight or 7 o'clock tomorrow morning? I ain't walking out there at 9 o'clock at night.
I reckon it'll be 7 o'clock in the morning.
I think so. I know what swims around out there. I can walk it
But
out
you
there at
wanted me
night.
to walk, and then I'll be shark food.
Yeah, well, you're going to ride this seizure train for it. Cindy, you got to do it. I can't. I might have a seizure. Cindy, yeah, cook some dinner. Can't. Might have a seizure.
I love you too. Oh, I love you too.
Throws all of his hairs up and pretending that they're fighting.
2 kookaburras, yeah.
Well, what they do, kookaburras stay in their only family, right? So what they do, they have mock fights,
Right.
and with them fighting, other birds won't go near. They don't want to be involved in the fight. They don't want to be attacked. But they're not actually fighting. They're just protecting their area where there's lots of food. That's why he's got his hairs up and looking like he's going to start belting crap out of each other. It's probably brother and sister or brother and brother.
I'll borrow Craig Wilson. Has dropped the crab pots. Still no sign of
Very big fish in time. Quick to squeeze around.
Sweet, need the drone.
Just gotta remember where we put these crab pots.
Crab pots.
Hopefully come back this afternoon, we'll have a few muddies in there. Hang on.
Oh, people are so grotty.
Please guys, take your fucking rubbish with Jesus. It's not that hard. Put it in the bin. Kayaks will be unreal. I'm going to show everyone the glass house. Glass house mountains down there. Probably can't see them too good. Where's it? Gungung and Tippegargan.
Biwa, yeah.
Mount Biwa, Tippegargan, Gungung. What's the one we climbed?
Gungung.
Gunga, we climbed Gunga. It was a fucking big mountain.
Huge mountain.